everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, as you can see, I'll walk you through our target ROAS calculator, very easy to use interface and a nifty one. So before diving into it, let's understand what target ROAS means. So it's an automated bidding strategy. It's one of the automated bidding strategy provided by many multiple advertisement platforms such as Google Ads. Similar to this, there's another bidding strategy called Target CPA, and then you have strategies like maximize conversion, enhance CPC. So different bidding strategy for different campaign goals, right? So where particularly you should use target ROAS. So the goal of target ROAS bidding strategy is essentially to maximize your overall revenue generated from your advertisement spend. So how is it distinct from other bidding strategies? I'll walk you through it one by one. So imagine you run a shoe store and want to launch advertisement campaign to acquire new customers, and you have products with varying profit margins. Let's say you have athletic shoes that have higher margin than sandals. So for those particular kind of product category and campaigns, you can prioritize showing your ads to users who are likely to buy higher value products and hence maximizing your return on investment. So this kind of bidding strategy is ideal for products with varying profit margin, in this scenario athletic shoes that have higher margins than sandal. So let's say you set a target ROAS of 4, which means that for every $1 you spend on your advertisement, you aim to generate $4 in revenue. Now, advertisement platform prioritize showing you ads to user who are likely to buy more expensive athletic shoes, even if it means exceeding your cost per acquisition. So let's look up with an example with the two input fields that we have in our calculator. Here you see we've got first input field, which is average profit margin as a percentage of revenue. So let's say it is 20%. Then in the next input field, you have to tell percentage of that margin you're willing to invest in acquisition. So it's actually your investment in customer acquisition, which is your willingness to spend of percentage of the profit margin on acquisition. So let's say you want to spend 30% of profit margin on acquisition. Simply hit calculate. After plugging in the values, you get your target ROS of 17. So this means you should aim to generate $17 for every $1 spent on advertisement campaign. Now, this calculator actually provides you an estimate and may not account all factors affecting your advertisement ROI, but it's actually a good picture to get started. You can consider more factors like market competition, then your campaign goals. Like I said, campaign goal is extremely very important when you're looking up for a particular bidding strategy. And uh, key distinct feature between target ROS and target CPA lies in your campaign goal actually. So if your primary goal is to quickly grow your customer base and you have consistent product cost, let's say you only sell sneakers worth $50, then target CPA might be a good choice. Then it increases the number of customers walking into your store or buying shoes online. So in this particular example, you see your target ROS is 17. So you can check out this calculator from the link in the description. And if you want to try out our other calculators, like I told, Target CPA calculator, you can visit upgrowth.in. Simply on the home page, access resources. Under resources, you'll see calculators. And when you click calculator, you'll be directed to multiple marketing calculators. We have SEO calculators, we have PPC calculator for your advertisement goals, in particular, pay per click calculators, and other related marketing calculators. So all of them have been stored here. I'll also be dropping the links in the description, or simply you can check out Target ROS calculator on Google search. You see we rank first on it. Similarly, Target CPA calculator, for all such calculators, will be ranking first on search engine. So do check out this calculator. And if you want a growth partner, you're stuck anywhere, you can book a consultation with our growth hacking specialist. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you optimize your online presence. Thanks for watching.